currently filming a full face of only e.l.f. cosmetics. This is how we're looking so far. If you missed part 1, go check it out, but we still have a lot of products to try, so let's continue. How we're currently looking with all of our e.l.f. creams laid down. It looks so good so far, but now for setting powder is where we might run into a problem because I don't get along with glowy setting powders, and e.l.f. only has a Halo Glow setting powder. You guys, because I just found the old e.l.f. setting powder in my drawer, which I actually like, so we're gonna throw that glowy one out and use this one. Under the eyes with the setting powder, and this setting powder is literally white, so it scares me a little bit, but I will take a matte setting powder over a glowy one any day. This is nice and set, but now that we're looking a little bit ghostly, we go in, we have 2 bronzers from e.l.f. These are the 2 shades I grabbed from the headquarters. I think I'm gonna mix both of them. This is a primer infused bronzer. I've literally never heard of that, but I went in with like 2 taps, and you guys, she packs a punch. I think I'm actually obsessed with that primer infused bronzer. It looks so good. Now moving on to the eyes, we have a few options. We have an eyeshadow palette, a liquid glitter, and then 2 shimmer toppers. Let's see what I can come up with. Eyes, the thing I'm most excited for, e.l.f. has these like single shimmer shadows. This is in the shade Fine as Fleek, so we're gonna go ahead and try it out for the first time together. Just tap it onto the eye and see. Add a little bit more, building her up to see if we can get some color payoff. The sparkle is starting to show up, but I definitely expected a little more from this. I forgot I had this liquid eyeshadow, so I added that on the top, and that just definitely intensified the glitter. So if you're looking to pick up a glitter shadow from e.l.f., definitely opt in for this one, not the single shadows. Going in with the mascara, this is their Lash and Roll mascara. I put it on this side and not this side so you guys could compare for yourself. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. I feel like it lifted, separated, and did everything it's supposed to. You can find a powder blush from e.l.f., so we're gonna go in with their putty blushes and try to just layer this on top of my powdered skin. Let's hope it works. Just going in with a super light hand with my blush brush because I don't want to disturb that powder, and so far so good. It's adding some blushy color right here. It doesn't look like it disturbed my makeup. On to lips, we're gonna start off with the e.l.f. lip liner in the shade Spill the Tea, and you guys, I think the e.l.f. lip liners are literally like $2. They're wooden, sharpenable, so creamy, and so good. $2, watch this, you guys. It's literally so creamy. How the lip liner's looking. Now for the middle of the lip, I snagged e.l.f.'s new lip tints. I'm so excited to try, you guys. There are 4 shades available, and I think I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade, which is Pink Positive. That's how she looks. I love how big and juicy this applicator is. Let's go ahead and just put it in the middle. I probably should have cleaned off my lips first, but you know, YOLO. Now we're just gonna go ahead and kind of smear her out and see what she's giving. I don't know about wearing this with a whole lip liner, but maybe on itself it would be cute. I just feel like it's a little bit of an interesting combo, but to cover it up, we're gonna go in with their lip oils. Guys, look at how shiny their lip oils are. I'm obsessed with them too. In the shade Candy Co-Ed, I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on the center of the lip, and right away you guys can see that high shine. It is so pretty. Not least for setting spray, I found this dewy coconut mist hiding in the back of their headquarters. I don't even know if they make this still. I did not know e.l.f. had a dewy mist, but let's try her out. Anyway, it smells so good, like a vanilla coconutty Bath & Body Works candle. This is my full face of e.l.f. cosmetics robbed from their headquarters. What do you guys think? I feel like e.l.f. slays every time, and I think it looks absolutely stunning, but you guys let me know down below. Love you, besties.